Hi, so very good morning. Today we're heading to Kota Agung in Tanggamus region. Actually, I didn't plan for this because my mom accidentally said that. How if we go there? Sure. It's only about 2 kilometers from central government of Tanggamus region or 85 kilometers from Bandar Lampung. It's around 2 hours by car. Do you see the dolphin over there? Yes, that's the icon of Tanggamus, so they're gonna proud of it. So do I. Here's some information according to indonesiatourism.com. Way Lalaan is a constitution gradual waterfall that have 200 meters distance of one to others. Because there are two different waterfall here, they call the first waterfall and the second waterfall. The water is from the flow of Way Lalaan River, which moves a river to Semangkabe. Finally, we arrived. You can see the gates over there. It costs only 5,000 rupiah per each person. This is the musola. The things with the silver roof, it's a new. I never seen that before when I got here. The water is very clean though. Airnya bersih banget. Sekarang kita tebak lagi ada di mana. It's so beautiful. And there is a cat, also chicken, and then it's a big tree, right? They name it Tree of Love. It's actually a Dukus tree, small fruit with the brown skin, white inside, and tastes sweet, sometimes sour. Iya, ini bagus. This waterfall was unknowable since 1937 in Dutch colonial government, which made the cement ladder to Waterfall Valley. Another new things are selfie place, also children's playground down there. It's gonna be rain. Okay. She is asking to take her picture anyway. Okay, mom. Jadi di kanan kirinya di dikelilingi oleh pohon-pohon, terus juga ada tempat bermain anak-anak. Kita lihat airnya deras karena sekarang lagi musim hujan. You probably will not comfortable because my hand shaking and also the videos. The waterfall from the height around 11 meters created the very faint thunderous sound, began to be able to be heard since the highest step of the road entered descended along 75 meters. You could also swim above the waterfall, not quite exactly under the waterfall, but they put a line to border the area that's safe for you to swim there.
Sekarang kita mau nyobain aduh licin nih kayaknya ya say. Kita cari yang nggak licin ya. Aduh licin banget. So the water is very clear.
Oh wow, there is
Biawak
biawak.
kecil.
Monitor lizards are large lizards in the genus Varanus. They call it biawak.
Itu biawak kecil.
Monitor lizards have long necks, powerful tails, and also claws. It's a
Ada
baby biawak
biawak tuh,
actually,
biawak.
and the adult one in the picture.
Anak biawak.
I ever seen it
Tadi katanya
in the
bukan,
beach
tau,
before, and it's very big. I'm terrified of it. It looks like a comedy dragon.
Halo, sekarang kita ada di Way Lalaan. Air terjunnya. Mau lihat nggak air terjun? Wow, seger banget loh. Tapi panas.
So let's just enjoy the view and clear our mind and be happy.
Hujan, pasti airnya sangat deras. Dan kita bakal lihat dan sungai-sungai. Agak bingung ya melihat sana soalnya saya juga pakai rok nih. Cuman air terjunnya melewati gunung-gunung dan nggak tahu ya katanya di situ air lebih tenang. Gimana kita mau discovering lagi nggak nih? Kita jalan ke sana nggak? Cepet, mumpung with barefoot and skirt. Panas banget kan? So we're gonna exploring with my mom. And it's difficult for me because I'm wearing skirt.
I wanted to exploring more, but since we don't have much of time, so I'm gonna take a look over here, and too bad we see some of trees over there. If you go far up there, you will find another waterfall, the second one, and also could enjoy durian farm during your way. I was have a conversation with this kid before. He said he wanted to fishing and gonna catch some fish like a catfish and others. He made his own stick. Anyway, at the end he met his friend and gonna fishing together and swim, get naked. That's a boys too, right? It's the end of our journey today, but not gonna be the last. Thank you for watching. I hope I give you some information. Get less and be happy. See you.